Curry leaves have several medical and nutritional benefits, as well as cosmetic uses. Today, I will offer a powerful benefit of this magnificent plant. Herbs. It will undoubtedly persuade you how to incorporate this amazing leaf into your diet and otherwise. Anti-diabetic properties. Curry leaves stimulate the production of insulin in the body, resulting in a hypoglycemic effect that aids with blood sugar regulation. Curry leaves, high fiber content, shows the breakdown of carbohydrates into glucose, which helps to keep blood glucose levels in check. Chew 8 to 10 curry leaves first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Make sure you eat well to gain its benefit. The leaf should mix well with our saliva, or you could make a juice of these leaves and drink it in the morning. Curry leaves inhibits premature graying of hair and protects it from harm. It also protects against hair loss, dandruff, and itchy scalp. Curry leaves hydrate the scalp, strengthening hair follicles and promoting hair growth. Take 20 to 30 curry leaves and rinse them in water, then put 3 tablespoons of coconut oil in a pan and add the curry leaves, and boil the oil until the leaves turn black, then turn off the heat and let the oil cool at room temperature, and your amazing hair tonic is ready. Apply this oil twice a week to get healthy and shiny hair. Promotes weight loss. Curry leaves include carbazole alkaloids chemicals, which serve to prevent weight gain and lower LDL, a harmful cholesterol compound in the bloodstream. Curry leaves also contain detoxifying molecules, which cleanse our bodies and help us lose fat. Take a glass of water and boil 10 to 20 curry leaves in it for 4 to 5 minutes. Strain it to remove the leaves. To improve the taste and flavor, juice half a lemon and add a few drops of honey to it. Your potent fat-burning tea is ready to drink on an empty stomach in the morning. Effective against morning sickness. Because curry leaves are a completely natural herb, it is a safe option for both mother and child. You can either have curry tea or prepare a simple tonic. Blend 10 to 20 leaves, then squeeze the paste in the muslin cloth to extract the juice. To this add 1 teaspoonful of lime juice and pinch of jaggery. Have this every morning to get rid of morning sickness. Digestion is improved. It helps to avoid constipation, diarrhea, dysentery, and bloating. It has a slight laxative effect that aids digestion. Better eliminate waste from the stomach. Because it is a natural stimulant, it also improves appetite. It will speed up the digestive process. Keep them for about 30 to 40 curry leaves. Allow them to dry in the hot sun for a few days. Thoroughly and turn it into a fine powder now. Toast 3 to 4 tablespoons of fennel or soph seeds and combine them with the crushed curry leaves. Keep this delectable mouthwash in an airtight bottle. Boosts immunity. Curry leaves are high in antioxidants, which help us stay healthy and avoid a variety of illnesses. They protect us from oxidative damage, which can lead to neurological, cardiovascular, and kidney problems. Ingredients: between 30 and 40 curry leaves, a single lemon, 1 inch of ginger, 14 tablespoon turmeric powder or 1 slice turmeric, 2 amlas or 1 teaspoon amla powder in a blender. Combine a sprinkle of black salt or Himalayan pink salt, curry leaves, ginger, amla, and turmeric to produce a paste, then add a little water to dilute the paste and filter it. Add a few drops of lemon juice and a pinch of salt to taste, and drink this every day to strengthen your immunity. Enriches skin texture. Curry leaves can help relieve skin irritation and rashes while also improving skin texture and protecting the skin from free radicals, leaving it soft and healthy. Make a fine paste with 12 teaspoon curry leaf powder and multani mitti, then add a few drops of rose water. Apply it to your face and neck and rinse after 10 to 15 minutes. Multani mitti absorbs excess oil while moisturizing and repairing the face, and rosewater is a natural toner that can firm sagging skin.